Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can customize a filled area map in Looker Studio. So this kind of Google map shows various geographic regions filled with color. But at the moment we'll see that we have the location field is country, but it's all the same color. So I'm going to show you two different ways you can use color in this kind of map. So the first is you can either use a color dimension, or the second is you can use a color metric. So color dimension is if we pick a dimension, in this case let's use country, and now each country has its own unique color that we can identify it. The other way to use color is by a color metric. So let's add metric, let's add total users, and now our countries are showing users with their color. So dark blue means a high number of users, light blue means a low number of users. So those are two different ways we can use color. And there's also different levels that we can look at using the location field. So we can go all the way up to continent using this GA4 data, and now we see that the color is by continent, or we can drop down to region, and now we see that in this case every US state, every Canadian province, and every other region of the world is shown independently. So California has a dark shade of blue because it's a higher number of users than some of the others. And we can go deeper still by selecting town and city. Now if we zoom into, for example, New York, we can see that Jersey City and New York are distinct and are plotted out on the filled area map. So this is very useful for certain data types. Let's go back to country. And obviously if we want to make more changes, we can go to the Style tab. And there's a lot of various ways we can customize it. So starting at the top, we can customize the type of map. So right now it's dark, we can make that silver, we could make that the standard style, or there's the option to edit the JSON file, but I won't get into that here. There's also the option to have a satellite map, and within the satellite map we can remove roads, add roads, labels, landmarks, depending on the level of detail that we want. We can also decide how opaque we want the filled area. So I'm just going to go back to our dark theme to show that a bit clearer. So for example, this is what 100% filled looks like, and this is what 20% filled looks like. We can also adjust the colors, so let's just go back to, let's say, 60%. So our max color is currently blue, and that's the only color, but we can change that up. So let's say our max color is red, our mid color is blue, and our minimum color is yellow. So now we have a lot more color on this map. And that is about most of the customizations that you might want to make in a filled area map. Hope this video was useful.